Well, hello, Tony. How are you? Here we are. And I'm here trying to figure this part out. So you can tell I got a few books behind me, and so I have, I like to see the screen right now. Let's take a look at this stuff. So share the screen. So here it is. We have your website. I wanted to just spend a little time here. As I mentioned to you not too long ago, I think it is very important that you have your logo always in place, either in the center or to the left. This is your menu. Also, it is custom for websites to have the phone number, how to get there right at the top right. Also links to your social media. Right now we have it all the way underneath somewhere here, and they're not very visible. Another thing is this blank space. So also, I do, this is nice. You got some videos and everything. Maybe we, you got this stuff right here. I like you have your services here. It's nice, but mostly people are gonna go where they have to go. If they need remote starters, they're gonna go there. They're gonna see what is it that you have available. So anyways, in here you have some of the brands. Anyways, maybe you mentioned there's new remote starters, but anyway, so I could have just the best thing to do here for us is, I don't want to. It will take me longer for me to try to fix your website and doing a new one. So I come out with some designs, and I just wanted to show it to you and see if it sounds good to you. So here's like a new design for your website. So up here we put your logo. So any page you go to, this is where the logo is going to be. You have your menu here. Maybe having a multimedia tab around here. Maybe like a multimedia. I'm making this a little smaller. Maybe like a 17. Okay, there you go. So that might be something. Now this, this right here is very visual, kind of went after the theme of Fast and Furious. But I do like the service end, NWI, and I can see maybe Maryville, Highland, just hover, Gary, just to make it more interactive. Now this could change, just like a slider. This can, but I really, really like the visual of this style right here. Now I got this from Thumbtack. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Thumbtack. They do a lot of work for a lot of people. And you just click in it and it shows all the services that you give. So remote starters, mobile video or whatever. So we have a few of the things that you work with, and here, up here, of course, you got the address, the phone number. I think that's kind of wrong. And that's not your phone number. But anyway, so when you click whatever social media you're going to be, this would be really, really nice. Of course, we can have either 6 more, 3 more underneath, whatever services you offer. Now, the welcome part here, this can either be a video. I think that you should have videos for everything, rather than just text and just text or images. Maybe a little video here that clicks and talks a little bit about you. What is it that you guys offer? Because in a video, you're able to explain everything. Anyway, so here, text is very important. I didn't see text in your website. let's see, where did it go? And your website, there is no text. So therefore, this is good for like car alarms. Let's say car alarms and NWI. I wonder, see, for SEO, this is very, very important. See if I see you. You know, are you familiar with SEO? New Times, car alarms. Anyways, I know you got it together because you're really good talking to people and you're really good connecting with people that owns car sales places. But SEO is what brings you all the way to the top. And I think I told you that before. I'm all about it. Like Crown Media right here, we got 8. We have, at this moment, we got 8 reviews. Now, this guy is getting ahead of me right now. So I got to figure out how to get more reviews. But look, Crown Media, my company, is right at the very top. So I gotta continue, continue growing. So from all the guys in Northwest Indiana, we're at the very top. And let me see, I think, yeah, so see, this is not just there because, this is here because it's very important to grow your SEO. So let's see what else is here. I just saw all this stuff. So anyways, long story short, it's important that we have text in your website and also videos. So at the very end, you're probably thinking, well, Manny, you said $300, you're gonna fix my website. But I wanna go all out. I want you to have the best good looking website for any type of servicing, any type of car. So, and my wife and I, she's very pretty. Let me see. Let's see. I'll show you my wife. She's, let's see, Facebook. Maybe Lori could help us and do a couple videos to explain a little bit about your, people will click in it and take a look. So let's see if we got a couple pictures. So this is Lori right there. So we can get Lori to come and do, she'll do well, I promise you. So let me see, I think I have a few videos from before. Email, okay, let's Google this real quick. Just a minute. So it's called Praise TV, email, Lori. See if we find it. Oh, that is one. I'll say, you take a look at this video that we did in 2010. A little bit of gospel. So anyways, as you can tell, Lori probably will be, we'd like to do something where you can kind of show a small little video. We can probably take videos from the companies where you get, just the companies that you utilize to get these products from. That's like some of like this. You can use some of this, but I think, one video that talks about who you are, what you do, you're like, just give people reasons why to come and visit you, maybe write in here in your new website or the new look, if that's what you want to. Maybe set it up so there is like a small little box with, things that people's customers said about you. That's a huge deal. A lot of companies just say how good we are and all the stuff, this is what we offer and we want you to buy this. But mostly people want to hear reviews. So we want to build your Google reviews, and we want to build reviews for your website. So it's like, you know, his services are amazing. I can't, you know, my car is unbelievable. I feel like I want to drive because my car is brand new. Thank you so much. Exclusive car audio. So stuff like that. So anyway, so I just wanted to show you a little bit. I was going to continue working in the other pages, but I had to stop and make sure that you're open to work with me. I'm not really sure, you know, sometimes I allow clients to pay monthly, like $100 a month, or for 2 years, that is monthly, or, you know, to me, this is an investment for you. Also, I would like, you know, figure out how we can do the next website for your other business. So let's talk about it a little bit more. I know you want things fast, and I will make things fast. But there's no way we can like charge very little. You know, as you know, you're a businessman, I'm a businessman, and we're gonna give you the very best, but it's gonna take a little more than, you know, we're gonna have to just spend a little more time on all the hard work that I'm doing, and also have to, you know, pay my web developers. So anyways, long story short, I really believe that we can work together. I really believe that we can jam. People's gonna be like, man, who did your website? So just Crown Media right here in the bottom part. Your logo is amazing. So yeah, let me know. I'll call you, and I really appreciate what you're doing, man. Thanks so much. Okay.